Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming the only supported path, a replacement or factory repair. First, find your serial and receipt and check warranty coverage. Next, charge the case and earbuds so the unit is reachable for diagnostics. Take clear photos of both earbuds, then remove ear tips and lightly clean contact areas. Once done, open Bose support and choose Repair or Replacement. This starts the authorized process and preserves any warranty rights. Now you initiate the official repair or replacement. Call or use Bose online chat, provide serial, photos, and the battery symptoms. Request an RMA if eligible. Choose mail-in or local authorized service. Each step explains estimated cost and turnaround. Once approved, follow their packaging checklist. Use anti-static wrap, small padded box, and include the RMA form. Make sure to record the carrier and tracking number. This protects you while the earbuds are in transit. When you receive the replacement or repaired earbuds, inspect them immediately for visible damage and charge to full. Next, perform a factory reset and install any firmware updates so battery reporting is accurate. Then pair to your device and run a full discharge/charge cycle to validate capacity. If anything looks wrong or the battery still underperforms, contact Bose support with your RMA number and the tracking evidence. This one troubleshooting tip speeds.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.